Have you ever found yourself constantly clearing your throat, as if something is stuck back there that just won't go away? That persistent feeling isn't just annoying, it could be a signal that something deeper is going on. Let's explore the hidden reasons behind constant throat clearing and the buildup of mucus in the back of your throat. Understanding the true cause is the first step toward real, lasting relief. One of the most common and surprising causes of throat mucus is something known as silent reflux, also called GERD. This happens when the valve at the top of your stomach doesn't close properly, allowing stomach acid to creep up into your esophagus and throat. Even if you don't feel heartburn, this acid can inflame your throat lining, triggering excess mucus as your body tries to protect the area. But here's the twist. Most people with this problem are told to reduce acid using antacids or acid blockers. The truth: low stomach acid is often the real issue. Without enough acid, digestion suffers, and that pressure in your gut can push acid upward. A simple natural remedy: try adding diluted apple cider vinegar before meals. This can help rebalance your stomach environment and ease the symptoms if GERD is the cause. The second major culprit behind throat mucus is post-nasal drip. This occurs when excess mucus from the sinuses drips down into the throat, causing irritation and the urge to constantly clear it. Post-nasal drip can be triggered by infections, bacterial, viral, fungal, or even yeast-related. It may also be linked to microbial colonies called biofilms that form protective layers in your sinuses, making infections harder to treat and symptoms more persistent. A basic saline rinse using sea salt and a neti pot is a great starting point. Salt water is naturally antimicrobial and can help flush out mucus and irritants. For more stubborn cases, a gentle solution using baby shampoo mixed in water can help break down biofilms and clear nasal passages more effectively. Now, if the mucus feels like it's coming from deeper in the throat or even from the back of the sinuses or tonsils, there's another solution. Povidone iodine, a powerful yet gentle antiseptic, can be diluted and used both for nasal application and as a gargle. This helps address microbial buildup that conventional medications often miss. And don't overlook the role of past antibiotic use. If you've ever been treated with antibiotics, especially for sinus or respiratory issues, it may have disrupted the balance of healthy bacteria, allowing yeast and fungal overgrowth to take hold. These imbalances often lead to ongoing mucus production that doesn't go away with traditional treatments. Another thing to consider is allergies. Environmental or food allergies, especially dairy, are common triggers for excess mucus. Eliminating dairy for a few weeks can reveal whether it's playing a role in your symptoms. Fasting or intermittent fasting can also help reset your immune system and reduce chronic inflammatory responses, including those triggered by allergens. Finally, for those stubborn cases where the mucus seems locked in place, a surprising method has shown success: acupressure. By pressing on specific points on the back of the neck that correspond with the irritated area in your throat, you may help release tension and promote drainage. It's simple, non-invasive, and worth trying if nothing else has worked. So what's the takeaway? Persistent mucus in the throat is not just an inconvenience, it's a clue. Whether it's caused by silent reflux, chronic sinus issues, microbial imbalance, or food sensitivity, identifying the source empowers you to find the right solution. If you found this information helpful, please like and share. Knowledge is power to help others benefit as well. Your support matters. Be sure to explore the following videos for even more life-changing insights and wisdom that can make a real difference.